Some time ago we were testing the Wi-Fi range of our CYBERCORE X1 in our workspace. We managed to get around -70 dB. The distance between us and the module was 15 meters, and it was placed near the Wi-Fi router and metal foot dehydrator. Now we will be performing a quick Wi-Fi range test to see how well the CYBERCORE X1 performs in the different environment, thus giving you a more clear picture of what this is and where it can be used in your case. The test will be performed in an old building with brick walls along this corridor. We will place CYBERCORE X1 near the windows down the corridor and measure the strength using multiple devices, such as a phone, tablet, and a laptop. Alright, let's begin by assembling everything. We will use an ordinary breadboard and development board for CYBERCORE X1. Also, an external power board and a power bank connected via micro USB. Next, we will place this setup near the window and turn it on. To know the exact distance, we will have to measure it. We measured it with the ruler from the camera to the window and got around 42 meters. Then we headed back and did a quick test using an Android phone with a Wi-Fi analyzer app. Additionally, an Android tablet was also used to see how it performs. Moreover, we also measured the Wi-Fi performance on a MacBook laptop and pretty much the same results. As we can see, the results here are much better and they differ from our previous measurements since we're in the less noise environment. The quantity of Wi-Fi access points is way less here. Also, we're in a clear sight with the module and there is nothing that obstructs the signal, well, except a doorway in the front. Walls here also differ. Our workspace has a plaster wall and here we have a brick walls. What can be done to improve the range? Firstly, as we can see, the environment you are in plays a huge role. Secondly, the module itself. We have to keep in mind that the antenna used here has a maximum output of 1 watt, and the sheer size of it makes a long-distance communication not possible. On the other hand, there are still a few things you can do, like placing the module a bit higher or connecting an external antenna to the module. Also, you can connect CYBERCORE X1 to your existing Wi-Fi access point, and it will greatly increase the range, as your router will be used for communication and will have much better range and speed. Don't forget that you can also change the settings of this module via code, like a Wi-Fi standard used, transfer and receive powers and such, thus giving you a different results. In our case, we use the default settings. Well, that's it. For now, the range is 42 meters. We hope this was somewhat helpful to you, and see you in the next video. Bye!